In this video, we are going to show you how to create your gig. That comes after creating your vehicle. A gig is a job that you publish on Snapdel in which customers can find you. You can publish multiple gigs. So one vehicle can have multiple gigs. For example, if you have one vehicle, which is a Toyota Corolla, you can make 2 gigs on that. One gig would be that you deliver food for $10 an hour, and you also provide transportation service for passengers at $20 an hour. So now we're going to go ahead and make a gig. Once you've signed in as a transporter, log into your dashboard on the top right. And once you are in the dashboard, you can click on either gigs at the bottom, or you can click on gigs in the card inside the page. Once you are inside gigs, click on create gig, and it gives you the basic overview of how it works. We're going to get started, and the first thing you need to do is select a vehicle. So you're going to have to add a vehicle beforehand. You can always do that from the link below if you have not done it in the past. Over here, you will provide what services you will provide. This will show up to your customers. I provide food delivery in New York City. Then you're going to go ahead and select the category. You can either search by scrolling, or you can also just type it in. So we're going to type food and grocery delivery. And then we're going to choose the delivery type. Again, it would be food delivery. And then you can write a description. I provide food delivery transportation in New York. You can also generate a description with AI. Just enter what you are doing. And our AI system will automatically provide you a better description that you can check. Please do check, and you can always edit your description over here manually if there's any discrepancies. Once your description is done, click on next. Now over here, this is the pricing page. So you can select multiple prices for 1 gig. So since we are in New York, we're going to select US dollar. And over here, I'm going to select that I charge $12 an hour for food delivery. And you can also charge per day. So let's just say a customer, such as a restaurant or a client, wants to hire you per day. So you can say I charge $90 for 8 hours of work. And in the description, you can write 8 hours of work in New York. So this way your customers can charge, you can charge your customers in 2 different ways. One is per hour and the other one is per day, whatever makes it easier for them. Now the next thing we're going to do is you're going to select an image for your gig. You can either use the image that was uploaded for the vehicle. So if you select this, that means that you'll use that. If you would like to upload your own image for the gig, representing the gig better, then you can always go ahead and select another one. For this case, we're going to use our image from our vehicle. The last step is to select the address or the area that you will provide your service. So we're going to say we provide our service in New York City. I'm just going to type that over here, click on the search, and then the map should automatically take you over to New York City. And once you are in New York City, you can also select the service range. So there's 5 kilometers, 10 kilometers, and you can always change it accordingly as to how many kilometers you want to serve. We're going to say we're going to serve a 10-kilometer radius from New York City. Once you've done that, you can confirm your location and press on next. This is the review page where you can just go over your image, your description, your pricing. You can check that, make sure everything is okay. Click on I agree to the terms and conditions and create a gig. Now your gig is published and it is live, and now customers can see your profile and your gig and hire you directly.